Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok and going straight to your profile. This gives you quick access to your content. Once there, locate the post or draft containing the photos you want to change. Tap the three dots on a published post or the edit button on a draft to enter editing mode. This step moves you from browsing into the tool that actually lets you swap images, so make sure you're on the right video or draft before continuing. Now you're inside the editor where photos live in a timeline or cover picker. Tap the specific photo or cover frame you want to change, then choose Replace or Upload to pick a new image. Use Camera Roll for existing pictures or retake with the camera. Make sure to adjust placement and timing if the photo is part of a montage. As you swap, preview the clip so transitions and crop fit the video flow. This prevents awkward jumps once you save. Finish by saving your edits and watching the full post to ensure the new photos appear correctly and timing feels natural. If something goes wrong, check common culprits: file type, use JPG/PNG, image size limits, and app permission to access photos. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection or clear TikTok's cache and try re-uploading. If problems persist, restart the app. That often resolves temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.